Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Realme Pad X, Realme's third tablet over here in India. It's great to see that Realme is sticking with the tablet lineup and launching one product after the other. They started with Realme Pad, then Realme Pad Mini, and finally this one, Realme Pad X 5G. Now I have been using this tablet for the past week or so, MKBHD moment. And today in this video, let's go ahead and talk about this tablet in detail. How is it performing, how's the display, and should you go for it? Let's talk about everything. Right off the bat, let's get the specifications out of the way. With the Realme Pad X, you get a Snapdragon 695 processor. Now this is a 5G enabled processor. Along with that, you get up to 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of internal storage. You also get a micro SD card slot, and if you want to expand the storage, then you can definitely do so with a micro SD card. Now Snapdragon 695 is a mid-range processor, and the performance that you get with this tablet is also mid-range. It's not like this is a flagship level tablet, it is a mid-range tablet with a mid-range processor. For normal day-to-day things, this tablet performs great. Things like checking your email, replying to WhatsApp messages, watching something on Netflix, or in general surfing the internet. For all these things, the Realme Pad X performs really well. It does not drop a sweat. But when it comes to high-end stuff like video editing or playing BGMI for 3 to 4 hours, that's where this tablet lags behind. I would not recommend you to go for this tablet if you are a heavy user. Now the software part of things, this tablet comes with Realme UI 3.0 based on Android 12. Android 12 is highly appreciated over here, and Realme UI 3.0 brings in a lot of new features. The most important features are multitasking features. This is a bigger canvas and you should be able to multitask on a tablet, and it's glad to see that Realme is including multitasking features. You have split screen mode, you have the sidebar, you have floating windows, all the bells and whistles when it comes to multitasking. One particular feature which I found to be very useful is the sidebar. In the sidebar, you can place quick tools or shortcuts to your favorite applications. So just by going to the sidebar, you can activate those tools or jump to your favorite applications, which is a very handy tool. Now with that being said, the multitasking is not perfect. It is buggy, it is not a smooth experience as of yet. Maybe with software updates it will get better. So if someone from Realme is watching this, please take this feedback that multitasking definitely needs improvement. Now with this tablet, Realme is also launching a couple of accessories. First up, they're launching a pencil, the Realme Pencil, and also the Realme Smart Keyboard. They did not send those accessories as of yet to me, so I cannot talk about them. But one weird thing that I noticed is that there is no dedicated notes application from Realme. You'll have to use Google Keep Notes, and that's kind of weird because there should be a dedicated notes application if you're launching a pencil. So yeah, that is also missing. You will have to use some third-party notes application if you buy the pencil. Realme Tab X is a 5G tablet. So yeah, you do get SIM card support over here, and that SIM card will support 5G. So basically this tablet is future proof. Whenever 5G comes to India, you can use it with the Realme Tab X, and that is excellent. I do appreciate that. Also very quickly, if you're wondering about this awesome shirt, it's from our own brand called as The Dot Company. We at The Dot Company make some high quality and affordable stuff. T-shirts, wallets, caps, shirts, and a lot of other things. So definitely check out Dot Company by clicking the link in the description box below. And as a bonus to all of you guys, you can avail free shipping by using the code TECHNOLOBE. Next up, let's talk about that display. It comes with a 10.95 inches 1200 by 2000 IPS LCD display. It also has a peak brightness of 450 nits. It's a big and bright display, and the media viewing experience is good. Now this is a tablet and a lot of media is going to be consumed on this, like movies on Netflix or videos on YouTube, and for that it does not disappoint. As I said, the media viewing experience is really good viewing angles and colors, and it also gets bright enough. One thing missing with the display is a higher refresh rate panel. This display is only clocked at 60 Hz. I would have loved to see a 120 Hz panel over here because that would have made the experience even better. And as I said, they are launching a Realme Pencil with this, and with the Pencil 120 Hz is kind of a must because that gives you the best experience. What about the speakers? The speakers on this tablet are great. They are loud, they are clear, and do not distort at higher volumes as well. I love the speakers on the Realme Pad X. You will have an excellent time by listening to music or watching movies with these speakers. The speakers also support Dolby Atmos, so that is an added bonus. One not so good thing over here is that the headphone jack is absent. The headphone jack should have been there because wired audio is excellent, and wired audio with a tablet is a must. This gets me to battery life and charging. Realme Pad X comes with an 8300 mAh battery and the battery life has been great for me. For me, the battery lasted for 2 to 3 days because I was using this tablet along with my laptop. It was like a secondary device. Every day I would use it to watch something on YouTube or Netflix or in general surf the internet for like a couple of hours. So for that, it lasted me 2 to 3 days and the battery life has been really impressive on the Realme Pad X. No complaints with the battery life. If we talk about charging, you get 33-watt charging over here and you also get reverse charging. This is a feature which I do appreciate because whenever I'm traveling, I do not carry a power bank anymore. I either charge my phone with my laptop or my tablet. So having reverse charging is an excellent thing because if your smartphone is running low on battery, you can quickly charge it using your tablet. Now with the USB Type-C port, you can also do data transfer. So if you quickly want to connect your memory cards or something like that, then you can do that. And you can connect a bunch of accessories to the USB Type-C port as well. With the Realme Pad X, Realme is also bringing a new feature wherein you will be able to cast your smartphone screen on the tablet and you can interact with the smartphone screen. You can drag and drop files, you can copy and paste text. Basically, it becomes a seamless experience between your smartphone and tablet. This is a good thing, but it is limited to Realme's high-end smartphones. Smartphones like Realme GT2 Pro, Realme GT Neo 3, Realme GT Master Edition, all these high-end smartphones. It is not available for budget smartphones as of yet. A lot of people use their tablets for online video calls as well. So how is the camera quality? Well, the front camera quality is great for online video calls and Realme is also introducing a feature called as Limelight. It is exactly like Center Stage on iPad. Limelight will auto adjust the frame. For example, if I'm sitting alone, it will automatically adjust. If I'm moving, it will automatically adjust. If someone comes in from the behind, it will automatically adjust and it works really well. So it's good to see that Realme has introduced Limelight feature with the Realme Pad X. It's very helpful for online video calls. You also get a rear camera which can be used for quickly scanning some documents or quickly taking a picture. It is a normal camera, nothing exciting over here. It will get the job done for document scanning. Also, one thing I would like to mention over here is that the build quality of this tablet is solid. Realme has not cheaped out over here. It feels really solid and premium, does not feel like a cheap tablet at all. The build quality is superb and the design language is great as well. I like the minimal design language and it looks absolutely stunning in my opinion. All in all, I would say Realme Pad X 5G is impressive, but I do not know the price as of shooting this video. If I had to guess, I would say that the Wi-Fi variant will start somewhere around 19 to 20,000 rupees. And if it comes at that price, then it is a good pricing according to me. If it comes way under 20,000 rupees, like 16 or 17, then it is a great pricing in my opinion. But whatever it is, I will update the pricing in the description box below, so definitely check it out. Hey guys, what's up? I just want to mention about one quick thing that we recently launched a new thing called as Technoloop support. You can directly WhatsApp us with your tech queries and we will be happy to assist you. If you want to buy a new laptop, new smartphone, new earphones, whatever it is, just message us and we will be happy to assist you. So definitely go to support.technoloop.com and you can directly WhatsApp us from there. So anyway, that's been it. This was my review of the Realme Pad X. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.